O Messenger of Allah, kids, what did Zahir do? He separated from his wife. Right. Before starting the story, let me tell you that the purpose of narrating the history is to remind us from these events how our Imams made sacrifices. Imam Hussain continued his journey. The news of the martyrdom of Muslim Ibn Aqil reached the Imam. The poet Farzadak was there with Imam.
How can you trust the people of Kufa?
May God have mercy on Muslim. Muslim has done his work. We are the ones who are on the way now.
Some companions from the caravan of the Imam had worldly desires. They separated from the Imam. Farzadak recited this poem for them.
If the world is important, then believe that the reward of God is more important. If our bodies are to die, what could be better than death that comes in the way of God? If everyone's sustenance is fixed, then why greed?
Imam Hussain resumed his journey. All the way the AHLULBAYT remained engaged in the mourning of Muslim. The Imam summoned Qais bin Mashar. Qais was sitting next to his friend. As soon as he heard the Imam's call, he immediately came to the Imam's service. Imam gave the letter written for Salman bin Sarid, Musayyib and Rafa to Qais. Qais set out for Kufa on a fast horse. As soon as he reached Kufa, he found himself under siege by Hussein bin Namir. Qais was arrested. Ubaydullah ibn Ziyad asked,
"Who are you?"
Shia of Ali ibn Abi Talib.
"Give me the letter. To whom has it been sent?"
I don't know who the letter is for and what is written.
"I will not release you if you do not give me a letter. Or go to the pulpit and curse Hussein. Otherwise I will cut your body into pieces."
I do not know what is written in the letter, but I will go to the pulpit.
Ibn Ziyad was happy to hear that Hussein's companions would speak against him. The soldiers gathered the people in the field. Ibn Ziyad was watching from Dar al-Amara. Qais praised God and started cursing Ibn Ziyad. Ibn Ziyad, seeing this scene, ordered that Qais be thrown down from the highest point of the Dar al-Amara.